But in this video, I'd like to talk about my experience in terms of changing my grade. Because at Georgia Tech, they have this thing where throughout your entire stay at Georgia Tech as a graduate student, you can replace the grade of one of your class if you retake it with a better grade. I will put the link where they talk about that. It's a grade replacement, which is really good because, sometimes because of personal thing or family thing, you may have to retake a class, which is what happened to me for the graduate algorithm course. I had to retake it. Currently, I'm doing an A in that class. I think when I took it the first time, I took it with another class and that didn't work out well. But anyway, long story short. So I'm doing well in the class. I wanted to remove the bad grade that I had last semester, which was a C, and replace it with my new grade now, which is an A. But all in below, I realized that in order to do that, you cannot replace your grade when it's your last semester. I was like, what? That doesn't make sense. So apparently this is how the rule go. If you want to replace your grade, first you have to take the class the first time, didn't do well on it, take it the second time and do better. And then in the next semester, you can apply for the grade replacement. So in my case, because next semester I will be graduating, as such they cannot do it. They gave me this option. The option was as such. I can either accept to not graduate and don't graduate and then just accept the bad grade, not the bad grade, don't graduate or graduate next semester, and then by that time my new grade for the class would have come in and then it would have been replaced, or just accept the grade that I had before and call it quit, and then just have both grades be counted in your GPA. For now, I have a very good grade, so it's not a big deal. But I hope they would have told that in the application. So if your goal is to do that grades replacement that they mentioned, you need to take into account that doing it in your last semester may not necessarily be something possible. It's not something you could do. So let me repeat what I just said. If you plan to do the grade replacement in your last semester, you don't have that much chance. All you can do is take the class, pass it, but don't actually graduate. Just accept to graduate this next semester after all your classes are completed. It's not a bad deal, but I'm ready to get out of here. So this week will be the last week where I have to take classes. And so anyway, hope this video is helpful and kind of help you guys understand the direction that I want to go with the channel. All right, see you next.